Alright you guys, hello. So we're going to be reviewing or doing a makeup tutorial using ColourPop Cosmetics Karrueche Brown Sugar collaboration. We're not gonna argue over how you pronounce her name. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. If I'm looking a little weird or pasty, I am trying out the ColourPop Filter foundation stick right now, so that's what's going on with my face. I have mixed feelings currently, but we're gonna just ride with it and, you know, do a full wear test with it. So let's go ahead and let's jump into what I got from this line. And when I saw it, I was like, ooh, I gotta get some pieces, girl. All right, so first thing first, we'll start off with the palette. I got the Brown Sugar palette. Ooh. I mean, it's your typical neutrals, but I feel like because we're in the fall, it's like appropriate. Like, it's really pretty. So this is what it looks like, the palette. It is so freaking gorge. Like, check out those colors. Okay, it comes with a mirror, and then in front of it says Brown Sugar. And then also it has the colors on the back, which is very, very helpful, so that when you're doing tutorials, you can actually look at the back, point to something, and you can see the picture or the name of the product on the back. You don't have to like turn it around and look at it. So I really do like that. And this palette, how much did they give me the prices on here? They don't give you the prices on here, so I will leave prices and links down below for you guys. And what else I got was that I got some of their gel cream color, and I don't have any gel cream color. I don't, so I thought these would be cool to add to my collection. This is in the color Net, and I feel like these would just be good to add to my collection because, you know, you can't go wrong with a cream liner. Okay, focus, hold on, focus, boo boo, on the, yeah, there you go. And it's a very pretty, like, copper tone color. The next cream color that I got was in the color Rum. And I like this too because I don't have a lot of little blues. So, not blues, oh my goodness, browns. Girl, get it together. So this is in the color Rum. Focus. Oh, my focus is all over the place. There it goes. I don't know why my focus is jumping around so much. My focus is like jumping around like there's another face in here. Okay, I'm gonna need for you to focus. Okay, and so the last thing that I got is the Brown Sugar lipstick in Cinnamon, and I'm really excited about this because I don't have a brown lipstick, and I'm always been a little about wearing a brown lipstick, but you don't know until you get out of your comfort zone. And I've really been wanting to get out of my comfort zone, and the packaging on this stuff is cute. Look at it. It's very sleek, and then you have the product here, and it's a I think it's more of a reddish brown, but maybe they said it was more of a yellow brown. Ooh, and it got little stars on it. I don't know if you guys can see that detail. It has stars on it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the tutorial. Everything that I use will be down below and listed. If you guys have any questions, you guys can yell them out down below in the comments and I will answer them. But let's go ahead and let's jump into this tutorial. So first we're going to start off with our lid color, and we are going to use Net on the lid. Say that out loud in class, okay? Anyways, keep it PG-13 units, PG-13. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little brush, and we're going to apply that to the lid. I like this color a lot. It's so pretty. You could use your fingers to apply it, but I don't want to make a mess. Ooh, that shit is so gorge. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. So this is really pretty. Okay, I like this color so much. Like, you can wear this alone and it's perfectly fine. All right, so that's the color, the cream color Net on the lid. Very, very pretty. Let's see. I don't even know what color to use next. We're gonna actually flip the brush over and we're gonna take a little bit of amber. Amber is this pretty color here. Actually, ooh, this is backwards. Okay, so it says chai. It's backwards. This says chai, but amber is right here, unless it's like flipped. So chai, it's supposed to go chai, jamacha, and amber, but it's amber, jamacha, and chai. So it's a little bit backwards. But anyways, so we're gonna take amber, and I'm gonna stick amber on the outer end. Yeah, I'm gonna smoke you out a little bit. Ooh, pretty. Okay. And we're just gonna blend it into nut a little bit. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. I like the pigmentation on this as well. The pigmentation is really amazing in this palette. I like that so much. Look at that. Boom. Boom. Okay. I guess we'll go into Jamacha and start to blend out the crease. So this is Jamacha here. And we're going to start to blend out this crease real quick. Just to give it a little bit of a transition. And make sure that everything is blended together very nicely. Oh, and I love, this is a very simple like fall look, okay? And just to like deepen it up just a little bit, we're gonna go into henna down here, okay? Just a little bit, okay? You wanna just tiny bit, not too much. And you can just take that and put that right on that outside, swoop it into the crease a little bit just to deepen it up a little bit. Love it. And they're very easy to work with. Like these kind of just blend and mesh together so well. You know, like you don't have to fight these to get them to blend. They blend and they mesh really well. Perfect. Y'all like that? I like it. I love it, actually. I am in love. Let me move you guys up. I am in freaking love with this palette. Okay. Love it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead now for the lower lash line. I'm actually going to take a little bit of nut again. Let me stop being a 2-year-old, okay? Not even that. An elementary student. Not even that. A middle school student. And I'm just going to take that same brush that I had used before. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply it to the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm just going to grab it and apply it right to the lower lash line. I'm going to go back into... I think I'm gonna go into Jamacha a little bit and I'm going to just apply that towards the outer corner on top. Just to deepen it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of henna as well. Okay, now for that inner corner, like just to give my inner corner a little bit more love, because you can't forget about the inner corner, we're gonna go in with ginger. So So we're gonna go in with this shimmery color, and we're gonna apply ginger right to the inner corner. Brighten it up a little bit. Give us some holiday Thanksgiving vibes right now. No? All right. Pretty. Perfect. Okay, so I applied mascara. The mascara that I applied was the Colossal Big Shot by Maybelline. So for blush, I'm going to use an eyeshadow as a blush, but you guys, lately I have been using eyeshadows as blushes. They just work. They're inside of your palette already, multi-purpose. I've just been loving it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take amber. Okay, now this can be a little tricky. I may have to mix some things, but let's take a little bit of amber and let's apply that to our cheeks. And you just need a little bit of it. And it's just gonna give me a nice little peachy glow on the cheeks. Now, like I said, I may have to mix this up a little bit depending on how it looks. But it just brings the whole look together. I feel when you use the same eyeshadow on the cheeks, it just kind of brings everything together. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that onto the cheeks. Now, if I wanted to give this a little bit more of a different look, I don't know if I want to try it here because I really do like how the amber looks on the face, but maybe shock. Take a little bit of shock and you can actually, like, let's see, let's try it just a little bit. Ooh, yeah, that definitely deepens up a little bit. So you want to be a little careful, okay? But a little bit of shock and you can just put that onto your cheek as well, and it just kind of like deepens up the color just a little bit. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and let's jump into the lipstick. Excited? Okay, so this is in Cinnamon, and this is a cream lipstick. Y'all know how I feel about cream lipstick, but I didn't see any matte lipstick. I really do prefer matte. I prefer matte lipstick all the way around. Cream lipstick just ends up everywhere. It's never ever, it's messy to me. But I wanted the color brown, I wanted the color cinnamon, and I want to see how it looks on me, so we're gonna give it a try. My lips already have a little bit of chapstick on, so I'm just gonna put it on a little bit because I definitely don't want this all over my face. I love it, girl. I am loving this so. Susie, no, I love this. I love it so much. This whole look, I love. Now, for the lips, I would definitely probably do that mattifying thing where you take like powder, like a loose powder, and mattify the lip out a little bit, because I do like more of a matte look. But I am loving this line in a whole. Like, I love it. The shadows, the creams, they all go together very well. They all like, and it just gives you that brown sugar feeling. Like, I love it. Like, I'm so glad I got my hand on this. Now this is gonna be like my new fall winter like go-to look. Like, girl. But look, I love it. I love this whole palette, this whole line, and what I got. Okay, so you guys, with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to thumbs up if you loved it. Make sure to comment down below if you have tried any of her products from this line. I love it. I definitely want to purchase more of like the I think they have more of the cream shadows, so I would definitely like to get my hands on that. But with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.